Good morning sa lahat. More examples about the arithmetic sequence. First, find the 45th term of the arithmetic sequence. Negative 9, negative 2, 5, 12, and so on. So, ano yung given dito? E1, negative 9, tapos N, 45th. Tapos, ang D. Ano yung, how to find D? Diba ito, ang constant difference. So, find D, negative 2 minus negative 9. So, negative 2 plus 9, that is 7. Yan ang D natin. So, ano yung unknown? Ano yung hinahanap? Yung En. Okay? So, ano yung formula sa En? En, E1 plus N minus 1 D. So, ang E1 is negative 9. Ang N is 45 minus 1 times 7 ang D. Negative 9 for 44 times 7. So 44 times 7, 308 minus 9, 299. So ang answer natin is 299. Okay? Okay, second example. Find the next term in the sequence. So, En, so given, same pa rin kanina, ang E1 is negative 6. Ang N is 4. Ang D, same pa rin kanina, negative 1 minus negative 6. Negative 1 plus 6, that is 5. Okay? So, kung constant natin is, constant difference is 5, so add na natin ng 5, naging 9. But isosolve natin in formula. So, En, E1 plus N minus 1 D. Okay? E1 natin is negative 6. Ang N is 4 minus 1. D is 5. So, negative 6 plus 3 times 5. So, negative 6 plus 15. So, ang last term natin is 9. Same pa rin yung result. Okay. Okay, let's try this example. Find the sum of the following arithmetic series. So, 3, 8 and 1/2, and then up to 20 terms. So, hinahanap niya is sum. So, ang given natin, E1, 3. Ang in, that is 20. Ang D, so 8.5 minus 3, that is 5.5. So wala yung En, and then yung sum. So dalawa yung unknown. So formula sa sum, so is N over 2 E1 plus En. So, wala yung En. So, solve muna natin yung En. Formula sa En is E1 plus N minus 1 D. So, 3 ang E1. Ang E natin is 20 minus 1. Ang D is 5.5. Okay? 20 minus 1, that is 19 times 5.5. So, 19 times 5.5. 3 plus 104.5. So, ang 20 term, 107.5. So, substitute natin dito. E natin is 20 over 2. Ang E1 is 3 plus 107.5. Okay. So, 20 divided 2, that is 10. So, i-add natin 110.5. So, ang total times 10, so 1105. Okay. Okay. Example number 4. Given the first term and common difference of an arithmetic sequence, find the fifth term. So, given yung E1 pati common difference, 28 at saka 10. So, ang hinahanap natin is E to fifth term. No? So, ang formula, E to the fifth term, same pa rin, E1 N minus 1 D. Okay, dali lang. Substitute lang. Fifth term, that is N, yan ang N. 51 times 10. 28, 4, so 28 plus 40, so 68. Ang fifth term is 68. Okay. Okay, sa fifth example, the fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 10 and the sixth term is 16. Determine the sequence. So, given yung fourth at saka sixth term. So, given 10 tapos 16. Ito yung fourth term, fifth, at saka sixth term. So, ano yung sa gitna? Okay? So, ano yung given? So, E1, 10, ang En, 16. Ang N, ano yung N? 3. Diba? Ang D is ano? So solve for D. Solve natin yung D. Ha? So, En, E1 plus N minus 1 D. So, So, given na yung EN 16. Ang E1 is 10. A natin is 3. Minus 1. D is unknown. Okay, so transfer natin yung 10, 16 minus 10. 3 minus 1 is 2D. So, 6. 16 minus 6 is 2D. Divide natin ng 2. So, ang D natin is 3. So, pag constant natin D is 3, ano dito? 10 plus 3, that is 13. Okay? Kasi ang constant difference natin is 3. I-add na natin dito, so naging 13 siya. Okay? So in the example number 6, find the sum of the first 15 multiple of 5. So multiple of 5, pwede siya, ma-divide siya of 5. Diba? So given, ang E1, ano yung E1? So restart siya ng 5. Kasi multiple of 5. Tapos, ang N, 15. Okay? Ang D, kasi multiple of 5, so 5 din siya. Okay? So, wala yung EN, pati is total 15. Yeah? So first, kukunin na natin, isusolve natin yung EN. Last term, E15. So E15, E1 plus N minus 1, D. E1 natin is 5. Plus, ang N is 5. 15 pala. Minus 1, ang D is 5. So 5 plus 14 times 5. So 14 times 5, that is 70. So, ang E15, 75. So, sa formula sa total, sa sum, formula natin is N over 2, E1 plus E15. N natin is 15, divide 2. E1 is 5. Ang E15 is 75. Okay? So, 7.5. 15 divide 2 times 80. So, total natin 80 times 7.5. 600. Yan ang sum of 15 44 of 5. Okay. Okay, last example natin, number 7. Find the sum of the first 20th number ending in 5. So, ang total sa ending in 5. So, ano yung given? So, ending in 5. So, starting siya sa 5. Diba? E1 is 5. Diba? Tingnan natin 5. Ending in 5. 15. 25. 35. Yan. Up to 20 term. So, ang N natin is 20. Diba? 20 term. Ang D, so ending in 5, so ano yung constant difference? 10. Okay? So ang EN is unknown, pati is N. So solve muna natin ang EN. Ang E, 20. So E1, N minus 1, D. E1 is 5 plus 20 minus 1, ang D is 10. 19 times 10. Okay? So, times 10 is 190. So, ang E20 natin is 195. So, formula sa is N, sa sum, N over 2, E1 plus EN. So, ang N is 20, ang E1 is 5, ang EN is 195. So, divide natin 10, that is 200. 1 and 5 plus 5, 200. So, times 10, 2,000. Okay? Ito yung sum. So, thank you very much. That's all. So, please subscribe. Bye-bye.